Is it June 12, 2024? Let's review Euro. What happened today? I think I said on Monday. There's a gap here, right? There's a gap down on Monday. I was wondering, would the gap be filled? Today the gap was completely filled. That's a this is I said this is an exhaustion seller at the bottom here yesterday. But one thing I didn't show yesterday was the Bollinger Band. There were 2 days in a row trading outside the lower band Bollinger Bands. That's another exhaustion signal. I'm not saying it's a reversal or a reverse to a bullish trend, but it should have a bounce. So today happened, finally have a bounce and fill the gap, and then went all the way to hit about 5-day, 10-day, 20-day moving averages. So 5-day moving average, if you short, it's okay. It's about break-even point. If you shorter at 10 or 20-day moving averages, yeah, you make good profit. So today I would say, bulls and bears, of course bulls, make more profit than bears, but bears still able to manage, to make some profit if you know what to, your entry is. You know what your entry is. So today's definitely is a good analysis, right? Look at the Bollinger Band. Although I didn't show it yesterday, but those who believe in Bollinger Band should notice that we've got 2 days in a row traded outside the lower band Bollinger Bands. That's a definite sign of bounce. And also we got a gap here, gap down. So another signal, most likely it'll be filled. So it did happen today. Okay, so what's gonna happen tomorrow? Well, let's see. So today hit major resistance, got rejected. We got rejection on those resistance. Most likely, with this long bar, this is a tough one. It's going to be trade within this candlestick bar the next 2 days. Wait for a breakout. Either tomorrow go lower, retest a little bit lower to find the bottom, to find support. We need to find support for euro, either a new low or find support. Plus Fed meeting has no rate hike, so the rates remain the same, which is good news. That means euro should be neutral, sentiment. Okay, so anyway, so for tomorrow, look for support. So 200-day, 50-day should be support now. Those 250-day moving averages support. Up there we have resistance. Should be this trend line right here. Oh, sorry. So this trend line should be resistant, and also 10 and 20-day. So tomorrow, the high of today might be retested again tomorrow. Okay, so watch out for 60 minutes. If it's trading below 200 moving average, if it goes back above 200, I would say both are in control. Okay, for below we got support 50, 200-day again. This should be a pretty good support, unless breaks below this point here, below today's low. But anyway, don't bet on it heavily, because this is a long candlestick bar. Now it's gonna have a breakout, either up or down. So what? And also look at the 5-minute chart here. Looks like if it hit double top overnight, I think that's another good entry. for a short position, or a little bit higher, double top higher, because for the 5 minute 50 hasn't crossed below 200 yet, moving average. So it might happen either overnight or tomorrow morning when the US market opens. 50 moving average cross 200. So for now, just be patient, sit tight, don't be excited, always buy low, sell high. If you have to sell at the higher levels. So when you have to have a stop loss, you have to, then it's at least not too much damage to your account. At this level, this is a tough one. Okay, again, look for pattern. We found a pattern here, so look for a breakout either way. So look at dollar index. Love to look at dollar index. Look at dollar index now. Dollar index now traded still above 10 20-day moving averages. So it should be 10 and 20 should be strong support versus euro 10 20-day moving averages are resistance. So for the dollar index, as long as they above 200-day moving average, it should be bullish for the dollar index. Okay, very simple. Don't need to make it so complicated. And also look for trend line. If you see any trend line, bullish channel, or tapering signal. Okay, it's pretty simple. So tomorrow should be straightforward. Should be inside bar, I would say. But most likely inside bar of this bar. Look for a breakout. Okay. Good luck on your trading. Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.